Good morning! Today is Tuesday, April 21st, and I am back in my living room. My fiance is out at a doctor's appointment, and so I don't have to be really quiet or worry about if he's sleeping or not, so I get to be back in my space, which I'm so happy about. Even Gus is happy about it. He gets to have a little nap in peace. So, that's been fun. Alright, today we're going to be learning about quarters. We're learning a new coin, quarters. Quarters are probably my favorite coin. And just for size reference, to see how big they are compared to the others. So we have a dime, and we have a penny. They're very much like the same. We have a nickel. So the nickel, even though it's not worth as much as a dime, it's bigger. And then we have the quarter. The quarter has a big eagle. So it's a big guy. And he's worth 25 cents. One of my favorites. Quarter. Sorry, had an interruption there. Quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. Hocus pocus, what's our focus? I can identify quarters by their image, name, or value. Here's that yawning starting again. I can decompose the value of a quarter using pennies, nickels, and dimes. So we're doing the same thing we did yesterday with the decomposing, the taking apart, except now we're adding in quarters, which is a new coin. Willie saw 11 monkeys at the zoo. He saw 4 fewer monkeys than tigers. How many tigers did he see at the zoo? Ooh, this one's tricky. Willie saw 11 monkeys at the zoo. I'm going to start with that. I'm going to start with, I'm going to do 11 lines because circles are sometimes challenging for me on the computer. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. He saw 4 fewer monkeys than tigers. So my blue are my monkeys. I'm going to switch to a different color. I'm going to do 4. I'm going to read it again so that my brain can understand what I did. Willie saw 11 monkeys at the zoo. I have my 11 blue monkeys on my paper. He saw 4 fewer monkeys than tigers. So that means that he saw more tigers than monkeys. That is why I added 4 red to represent the 4 more tigers. You had to kind of like switch your mindset and really understand what the question was asking. So how many tigers did he see at the zoo? I'm going to type because it's easier. Willie saw 11 plus 4, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Saw 15 tigers at the zoo. All right. There we go. One second. Let me turn that TV down. There we go. Okay. I don't know about y'all, but I've enjoyed being able to just wear my comfy clothes every single day. Raise your hand if you enjoy wearing your comfy clothes every single day. Because I know I have. Though I do miss y'all. I do enjoy my comfy clothes. Okay, again, if you want to listen to the songs, you're going to have to go on to Shobi and use the Nearpod student paste code because I'm not allowed to play the songs with you. Oh, it's the same song as yesterday. Okay, these are some of the strategies we've learned in first grade. Counting all of them, counting on, so that's like the fist bump, making 10, using a doubles fact, and using a helper problem. So an example, if to solve 15 plus 3, I would add 5 plus 3 first. Using one of those strategies, solve 9 plus 2. This is more of an activity that I would like to see you do and kind of see what your thoughts are. So get on to Shobi or Nearpod, Shobi, and then the Student Pace Nearpod code, and show me some of those strategies you're using for these, so I can kind of see where your brain is. On this one, remember a 3 add-in sentence, we've learned about that. We've done it several times, but it has been a while. Remember you group. So, for example, I might group 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. And then I cannot forget that lonely 2. And then 10 plus 2. Okay? Or we've also done the carrot tops before. So either way. There's a T number. Okay. Nickel and a penny. So you're going to see some of this on your Shobi today. But it won't say the name. It won't say a nickel and it won't say a penny. You just have to be able to know by the image of the coin what it is. Okay. So this is kind of cheating and helping you out, but eventually it's going to go away. We know a nickel is worth 5 and a penny is worth 1. I'm laughing at the dog outside. He's howling and whining. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, nickel and a dime. I know a nickel's worth 5. I know a dime's worth 10. 5 and 10 make 15. All right, so quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Here we see a picture of front and the back of a quarter. So just looking at some of the things we see, one side is the eagle and it says quarter on it. And the other side, I don't have my cheat sheet, but it says quarter as well. So they both say quarter either way. So that's a really good plus when you are going to solve your for your Shobi. Quarter and a nickel. We know the quarter. We just saw a quarter's worth 25 and a nickel's worth 5. Well, I know 5 and 5, I'm getting that from right here, is 10. 10 plus 20, I'm getting the 20 from 2 tens. 10 plus 20 is 30. Mental math. All right, that is all for Shobi today. Sorry for Nearpod. My mind is all over the place. I've been at the school all day, every day, cleaning up my classroom, which is really sad. All right, let's take a look at our your Shobi today. So it looks like you need to be labeling coins and identifying how much they're worth. This is a problem that you need to write out an answer. Ooh, and then you have some piggy banks. All right, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I will see you all tomorrow at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Bring a show and tell. We do have some other teachers that are going to come as well, like Miss Kelly, Miss Jennings, Mrs. S. Miss Stewart might hop on, and they might also bring a show and tell themselves, and I will also have my own show and tell. So come join us at 1 o'clock. Bring a show and tell, and I can't wait to see you all. Have a great day.